Welcome to ALFIE'S driving school. For today's video, we're going to be covering Elm Park High Street. Coming up to the High Street, we have a roundabout. It's a small roundabout. What you tend to find with a smaller roundabout, you normally get a crossing before and just after. So if you want an approach, it's at a slow speed and anticipate the pedestrian crossings. I'm going to take a left turn at this roundabout, making sure these pedestrians clear the crossing. They could change their mind, you never know, so it's important that they clear the crossing. So anticipating there's a crossing just after, it's safe to proceed. Quite a few cars parked on the left, so anticipate anyone walking out, anyone opening their door, or anyone moving away. At the roundabout, we're going to take a U-turn, so we're going to take the fourth exit off to the right. Mirrors typically indicate about 8 to 9 car lengths before the junction. Count your exits, that's 1, 2, 3, indicate the exit before one that you want. So left mirror, left shoulder, indicate left, anticipating the crossing after the roundabout. Looking ahead, we've got a set of pelican lights. Again, just look ahead, anticipate no one's there, no one's pressed the button, so it's safe to proceed. And at the next roundabout, we're going to go towards Hornchurch. So any exit after 12 o'clock, that's when you want to indicate right. So obviously Hornchurch is after 12 o'clock, it's positioned at 3 o'clock. So indicating right, anticipating the pedestrian, the guy in the red top's walked off. Make sure he does walk off. Get nice and slow around here. Checking your mirrors, left mirror, left shoulder, indicating left. And giving way to those pedestrians at the crossing. Once they set foot on the red tactile paving, you want to be ready to stop. So just anticipate that before you get to the crossing. Okay, just a short video, but I hope that was of great help.